So if you could sort of bring about a change, right, Vishal? Like in a way, like
Yeah.
I won't say one, but like what are your general thoughts if you had the power to make certain changes? What would those be?
So the first way that I did try and bring up that change was my first venture into entrepreneurship was Fireflies Education, which the whole intention was that I wanted to bring in different sort of learning experiences into schools, which would but the intention was one, it has to be practical learning, which means that we don't you get enough theory from schools, which it has its own importance, but I want to bring in the practical aspect. And B, I
Yeah.
want it to be fun. I want it to be engaging. I want you to actually want to study. Like, that's what my two goals were. So I thought about, like, how do I do that? Like, what are the ways that I could, or what does a product look like when I want to get capture those two core objectives. So the first thing that came into my mind was like online learning as it is growing. It's the biggest thing right now. It's been going on in, I mean, now because of the COVID thing, it's boomed everywhere. But I wanted to create, oh yeah, and I wanted to create online courses in partnership with companies. So imagine, students actually learning about the industry from companies who have been practicing it for, the past 20, 30 years in the field. And experts from those industries teaching you, and imagine if BMW created a curriculum on automotive engineering and actually had videos and their data and their research in the form of a curriculum, and it's out there for people to access. Like, imagine the kind of what we could possibly learn in 4 years, that curriculum could possibly reduce it down to 1 year. And that's what
Wow.
that's what I wanted. I wanted to create, like, maybe, so I can't obviously think in that level, so I'm like, what can I do in the basic sense? Which is just like a short-term course which gave students an insight into the industry, equipped them with just, the right kind of know-how and the right kind of skills to maybe just get into their industry. And
Yeah.
that's the beginning process. And what's funny is it grabbed so much attention in schools and universities that we built a network of this, a lot of institutions who said, yeah, that's amazing, we need it. So we knew, okay, the market wants it, students want it. We asked students, because at the end of it, it's a business. So I asked, will you pay for it?
Yeah.
And they were like, yeah, we'd love to pay for it because it's something that could really add value to us. So that was the market research aspect for it. I obviously, like you said, don't have any kind of funding, don't have rich families or anything. So I had to go and take part in a number of startup competitions. And this was my first time doing this. Like, there's
Yeah.
no one teaches you these things, right? Like, you just apply, you just hope that what
Yeah.
you're doing is correct, and just go with it. And I remember the funniest thing was, and this was, I mean, you can see the Zoom picture right now, which was the Sharjah
Yeah.
Entrepreneurship Festival in 2019. So it's one of the biggest entrepreneurship competitions in the Middle East. It's like 65 to 70 startups from across the Middle East. Like, it gets selected to get, participate in that. And this is the 2019, like in 2019 competition, but in 2018 I took part in it too. And this was the first time, like, I was in a proper startup competition. I had a booth, and I was, I mean, I wasn't nervous, but I was just like, it's my first time actually going into the real world and doing something for myself. And when I reached there and I entered, there were, like, all the other startups that were there were like run by 30-year-olds, 35-year-olds, 40-year-old veterans in their field who have, like, knowledge
Yeah.
and know-how. And there's me, a 20-year-old, just standing there, and just like, okay, what do I do now? And I was like, okay, cool, this is just going to be a learning experience. I'm not going to win this, I'm not going to get any money, I'm just going to, like, make the most out of it. I ended up coming to top 5, which was
Wow,
very surprising, out of 60
yeah,
70 startups that
That's
took
amazing.
part.
Yeah.
that's awesome, bro.
And thanks, and which meant that that topic, or what we're trying to address, was something people cared about. And
Yeah.
100%.
and the way that we were trying to address it was also, something that they thought was valuable. Obviously didn't win it. They said way too early. If you can get us some more traction and get a product, maybe we can, next year you could win. So
Yeah.
spent that 1 year, made like a beta version of a product with one company, did some more research, grinded for a year, and that's 2019. Took part again, made it to the top 5 again for a second year in a row, and lost again.
Shit.
And then you're just like, okay, so the market wants it. people want it. People seem to be saying that they'll fund it, but why is nothing happening? And that was just like my first sort of jump in my failure. And a couple of things I learned from that is that I guess although sometimes people want it and there's a need for it, maybe the environment surrounding it isn't just favorable for it. And that's what we realized. Like companies, although the sound of that, like imagine the rep that BMW would get for educating students about their industry. Like it's amazing brand value. But the time and effort required to produce that kind of content and that curriculums were a lot. Like it's a lot of work. And although we were helping them with it, they were just not ready to dive into it. So obviously had to drop that concept. It was fine. I learned a lot from it. Now we're moving on to something else. But again, the key takeaway was that there is a need. I learned that all the schools and universities we went to wanted, students really wanted. And I can guarantee within 5 to 10 years, what we're going to see is that in a way, maybe universities are going to shift. And after high school, companies are going to give you like degrees.